Research show that financial decision making peaks around age 53, and by age 60, our ability to process new information starts to slow. While some people are capable of managing their own finances throughout their lifetime, others may find their skills suffering. The impact could be as benign as paying a utility bill twice, or something worse, like falling prey to a scam. The warning signs of financial decline, if found, are taking longer to complete everyday financial tasks, missing key details in financial documents, having difficulty with everyday math, or showing decreased understanding of common financial concepts, or having difficulty identifying risks in an investment opportunity. Seeing any of this sign doesn't mean an elderly relative needs to have their checkbook taken away immediately, but there can be a warning that decline is occurring, and that can be a sign that help is needed. We are helping people understand the importance of planning ahead so that you are not the victim of your own cognitive decline or someone else taking advantage of that. Make a plan to improve your finance in the future. Unfortunately, this planning often doesn't occur until after an illness, death, or other unfortunate events. But ideally, people should be putting plans and documents into place to protect themselves by midlife or earlier. Here are a few tips on how to prepare. First, start the conversation. If possible, begin talking about how you want your financial matters handled early before things go awry. Talk to your spouse, your children, and other loved ones about your preferences and game plan. If initiating the conversation about someone else, do so gently. Ask them where basic documents such as a will are stored, or if they even exist. This isn't a conversation that will or should happen in just one sitting. Assure them we're not taking over their finances, but we want to make sure they are protected. People often avoid this conversation because they are uncomfortable talking about money or thinking about death. Be clear that this isn't about dying, it's about living and taking the burdens of your family. 2. Establish your team. Pick a team to help mother and potentially step in if your financial skills start to deteriorate. This can include families, friends, or others you trust. Assign roles to everyone involved. Name someone to serve as your medical decision maker should you need one, and someone to act as your financial power attorney. And consider whether you want one person in charge or if you want some checks and balances in place. Talk to everyone involved to make sure they are comfortable with their roles. 3. Create essential documents. Get some basic legal documents in place to ensure your wishes can be carried out. At a minimum, write a will, a medical directive, and a financial inventory listing all your financial accounts, assets, and insurance policy. Keep this document in a safe place and let your team know where to access them. Seek professional assistance from a lawyer, estate planner, or financial planner along the way if needed. Prepare a diminishing capacity letter giving permission to a financial planner or other professional to contact loved ones if they believe your mental capacity is weakening. And finally, manage your plan. It's important for families to be in sync about what needs to happen if it becomes necessary to take over a loved one's financial decisions. Financial interdependence is often a gradual process. Some people may want early intervention, such as setting up alerts for the kids if they counsel unusual activity. Others do not want any help unless their mental capacity is dramatically diminished. Respect those preferences. Be proactive. Plan as this will happen, even it never does. Have a plan in case it does.